Have you ever been confused about when to use neither, either, neither, nor, either, or, none, any, each, every, some, or all? Today, we'll explore their meanings with a fun short story and an engaging quiz at the end. Let's start. Neither used to deny both options. Example, neither of them wanted to leave. Either used to refer to one of two options. Example, you can sit on either side of the table. Neither, nor used to say that both options are not true. Example, neither the teacher nor the students were happy with the results. Either, or used to present two possible choices. Example, you can either call me or send a message. None means not even one from a group. Example, none of my friends knew the answer. Any refers to one or more items from a group. Example, do you have any idea where my keys are? Each refers to every single item separately. Example, each player on the team gave their best effort. Every refers to all items in a group, one by one. Example, she reads every book in the library. Some refers to an unspecified amount. Example, some people prefer coffee, while others like tea. All refers to everything or everyone. Example, all students must submit their homework by Friday. Okay, let's understand with the short story. Jack and Lily were on a treasure hunt. Neither of them knew where the treasure was hidden. They had either a map or a compass to guide them, but not both. As they walked through the dense forest, they realized that neither the old bridge nor the cave seemed safe. We must choose either the river path or the mountain trail, Jack said. They searched everywhere, but they found none of the clues they expected. Do you see any signs? Lily asked. They decided to check each rock carefully. Every step they took brought them closer to solving the mystery. After hours of searching, Jack finally spotted some strange markings on a tree. To their surprise, digging beneath it, they found a chest full of gold coins. All this treasure is ours. Lily cheered. We used some important words along the way. Can you spot them all? Try using neither, either, none, each, every, some, all in your own sentences. All right, it's time to put your knowledge to the test with this quiz. Let's begin. Dash of the two dresses suits me. A. Neither. B. Either. C. Both. D. Every. You can take dash of the options, both are correct. A. Neither. B. Either. C. None. D. Every. Dash, John nor Mike arrived on time. A. Either. B. Neither. C. Both. D. Some. I don't like dash of those movies. They're too boring. A. Any. B. Either. C. None. D. Some. You have to select only one. You can't have dash books. A. Some. B. Both. C. Either. D. None. She visits her grandparents dash Sunday without fail. A. Every. B. Each. C. Some. D. Any. If you have dash questions, feel free to ask. A. Some. B. Either. C. Any. D. None. Dash of the answers is correct, so I failed the test. A. Neither. B. Some. C. All. D. Either. You can choose dash ice cream flavor you like. A. Every. B. Some. C. Any. D. None. Dash. The students in the class received a gift. A. All. B. Some. C. Each. D. Either. Drop your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in day 23.